I'm so proud of you.
Oh, I love you, Mom.
Love you so much.
Oh, my God.
Mommy, thank you. Your favorite chocolate.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you, Mom.
Bye, Tita.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Mom. Thank you. God bless you guys.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy.
Magbabay.
I said bye. Bye, Miss Santos.
Oh my God, oh my God. Miga man, miga.
Okay,
Oh my
kailangan.
gosh.
Okay na ba?
Mom!
Mas malag mo pa yung boses mo.
I got it!
Oh, you know? No.
I'm so happy.
That was a different ibang reason.
My family is here! My family is here! Sumisigaw ako sa tuwa at umiyak ako sa tuwa. Bago ako pumasok sa loob ng bahay, sinabi ng nanay ko sa akin na siguro hindi sila pwede pumunta dito kasi marami silang trabaho. Pero I guess they made a paraan at ang nanay ko nandito na sa Pilipinas. So sobrang natuwa ako that I have their support. I don't think I've ever cried or yelled so much, especially sa bahay. Yung mga housemates sinabi nila sa akin na totally iba yung